Jai Sriman You have now taken a decision to show the power behind Ramapadukas to the entire universe. Such great thing you are going to be doing, Bharata. Bharadwaja Maharshi said to Bharata like this. Then Bharata did repeatedly namaskarams to Bharadwaja Maharshi, and from there they left. They crossed Ganga river, they crossed Yamuna river, and then they crossed Ganga river. After that they reached Srungiberapuram. Bharata, along with the entire army, has arrived Srungiberapuram, and from there he is heading towards Ayodhya. He is now getting to see Ayodhya. Ayodhyancha tato drishtva pitra bhratra vivarjitam. Ayodhya without Dasharatha Maharaju. Such Ayodhya Bharata is entering into. Ayodhya, Rama left Ayodhya. Such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering into. While crying, while suffering with so much of grief, Bharata is sharing that grief with Saradhi Sumantra, saying that, "Oh Sumantra, look at Ayodhya, na prakasate, it is not glowing anymore. Look at Ayodhya, nirakara, all the beauty is gone. Look at Ayodhya, nirananda, all the happiness is gone. Dina, look at Ayodhya, it is completely gone dumb. Such Ayodhya, oh Saradhi, we are entering into that Ayodhya. Oh Sumantra, I cannot bear this, I cannot take this much of pain, Saradhi." Like that Bharata is sharing and now entering into Ayodhya. How is that Ayodhya? Bida loluka charita. All kind of animals are and cats, all other animals going here and there. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is entering. Malina Naravaranam. There are no people going around, wandering around. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is entering with so much of grief. Everywhere it is dark. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is entering with so much of grief. All aspects of glow, light is gone. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is entering into with so much of pain. When there is such a big yajna is done, and after the Purnavati, all archakas, yagnikas, rutvikas and bhaktas, when they go away from the Yajna Vedika, as and how Yajna Vedika looks so empty and dull, that is how Ayodhya is looking, and into such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering with so much of pain. Also, when there is a big shed filled up with all cows, but there is no bull, their most beloved bull. When there is no bull, even after we put so much of grass for the cows, they are not eating the cows. The cows are not eating the grass, but crying for bull. That is how, as and how that cow shed looks, also Ayodhya is looking like that. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is now entering with so much of pain. There are no businesses going on. There are no any kind of transactions going on in Ayodhya. Into such Ayodhya Bharata is entering with so much of pain. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.